Hey judges, it's Mike checking in with video 6 for the compromised skin category, and I want to talk about the ingredients we use in Maggie's home care. So for the first 4 weeks, it was really about repairing and hydrating the skin and protecting the skin. So I introduced Inulin. This ingredient enriches the sugar pathways for beneficial bacteria, which effectively prevents the proliferation of harmful microorganisms to calm inflammation. Glycerin is a humectant that draws water from the environment and deeper layers of the skin to the stratum corneum to help retain moisture. Bisabolol is an amazing anti-inflammatory that helps to inhibit pro-inflammatory cytokines that are involved in skin inflammation. Beta-glucan, derived from wheat, stimulates Langerhans cells, which are the cells that are responsible for wound healing and helps to modulate the immune system. Ceramide MP reinforces the lipid barrier in the stratum corneum to improve water retention and reduce moisture loss. Aloe Vera contains 99% water and mucopolysaccharides to help bind moisture to the skin. It also contains the compound glucomannan, which stimulates fibroblast proliferation to encourage collagen production, which is essential for wound healing. I also had her protect her skin with 11.6% zinc oxide and 0.67 titanium dioxide. These are mineral filters that prevent UV radiation from penetrating the skin by reflecting and scattering UV rays. After about 4 weeks is when I had her slowly introduce her actives. We introduced 8% L-mandelic acid. This is an alpha hydroxy acid. This AHA has a larger molecule that gently removes the outer layer of dead skin cells. It also works to regulate sebum production, unclog pores, reduce inflammation, and help to suppress melanocyte activity to improve post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. 4% L-lactic acid is another alpha hydroxy acid that helps to remove dead skin cells from the surface, but it also acts as a humectant to help bind moisture to the skin. Of course, we have 5% benzoyl peroxide, a powerful oxidizing agent that releases oxygen radicals, which destroy and disrupt cell membranes of bacteria like C. acnes. I use this ingredient in a micronized formula, which allows the ingredient to penetrate more effectively. That is the main ingredients that we have in our home care routine, and I'll keep you updated next week for video 7. Thank you.